Hello everyone. I hope everyone is having a blessed night. This is going to be a quick video. I turned the box around because I don't want my address showing. But anyway, I love Pandora. I really do. But I also got into Alex and Annie. So I already have a couple on me, but I ordered a couple more. Oh, they put them in little pouches. That's so nice. I can't remember how many I ordered. What is this in the bottom? Let me see. What is that? So hard getting stuff. I didn't even have time to set up my I think I missed it. They wrote me something. Okay. It says, love, what do you got? Tell us about it with Alexon and Annie. Well, I think it's a little thank you card. Oh, that's my receipt with everything I ordered. So it's just a receipt. That's all it is. Oh, there's something else in here. Let me see. I done ripped it up trying to open it. Oh, there's nothing else in there. It just looks like that. So I'm going to get started. I'm going to start with the first one. Okay. That's this one. It is so gorgeous. Oh my God, it's so gorgeous. Oh, that is so gorgeous. Look at that. And this one is called the Tree of Life. Life, Family, and Growth. It's actually two together. Those colors are so gorgeous. Oh my God. And it has purple, gorgeous. The next one, oh, that was the same bag. The next one. Now, I have this one in silver. And I got it in the gold. Gorgeous. My God. Now I wanted to get some colors. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take them out. Then I'm going to open them all and explain what they're for. Look at that. And look at this one. I'm going to open them up and explain it to you. Okay. So this one is three bracelets, and it's a green. Oh my God, that is so gorgeous, so gorgeous. The next one, it says to the moon and back, and it has some blue in it, and right there it has to the moon and back. Gorgeous, just so gorgeous. Okay, this one is my brother's birthstone. His birthday is in October because me and my brother is really close. I wanted to get that. And again, this one is the Tree of Life. It has the purple in it. So gorgeous, really gorgeous. I have to clean my other ones. And the last one is the Arrows of Friendship. And this one, this just means friendship, union, bond, and direction. I have it in the silver. Let me see. Okay. Let me try to get this right. I have it in the silver one right there. I know I have to clean all my other ones I have, which I'm going to clean them. But, so these are the new ones I got. I mean, oh no, this was the gingerbread. Yes, now I see, I remember now. So this one was the gingerbread. Gorgeous. I mean, it is so cute, so cute. And I just wanted some color in them. You know, I think they're really gorgeous. And I switch up from my Pandora. I have a huge huge collection of Pandora. If you guys want to see that collection, let me know. Comment below. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, you can share too. So thank you all for watching. Enjoy the rest of your night. And I also will do a video if you want of the ones I already have on me. So that will be it. That is my new Alex and Ani. I love it. I love it. And don't forget, if you want to see a video of my collection of the Pandora, I would gladly do it. Enjoy the rest of your night. Love you all. Bye-bye.